okay? I got this.
I got this, man. Bang, 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 bang,
Bang, bang, bang, bang, bang. You little sniffy bitch.
I just don't know how to grab these pieces anymore. Is this a wall? Oh my god. Ever since I threw my hammer, I didn't know what to do with it.
And that's when Tyler knew that the...
No, I went like this, and it like crushed my finger.
It crushed my finger! Crushed my finger!
And that's when Tyler knew that he was never gonna be seen again, and he ran off into the woods.
I gotta make it, even though it's not straight, still gotta make it. Money don't grow on trees.
Got bills to pay, we got mouths to feed.
I need that. Just fucking Jesus Christ.
That is not carpentry safety, sir.
What? Come on, Tyler. Come on, that's so dirty. Come on, my little bird feet. You guys could have
did something that I didn't want to do.
Tyler, shut the fuck up.
Is it still on
Tyler,
record?
cunt.